Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So, in Indian markets yesterday, the benchmark indices extended gains for the second consecutive session, and the Nifty reclaimed the 22,500 level. Broader markets also were healthy and moved in line with the benchmark indices. So, consecutive 2 days of ending in the green, and that has led to some improvement in the market sentiment overall. However, US markets ended lower overnight, and this is on back of growth concerns in the US on back of the high tariffs. The weekly jobless claims also yesterday were higher than estimates, and the US non-farm payrolls data for the month of Feb will be out today. Expectation is of 1.7 lakh job additions. So any number lower than that would be taken slightly negative by the US markets, as now growth concerns have emerged strongly. And President Trump has also postponed the tariffs on Mexican and Canadian imports to 2nd April. This is for all the products which are compliant with the current trade agreements. The dollar index continues to be at lower levels at 104.1, and Brent crude also below $70. So that's positive for emerging markets like India, and we have seen improvement in sentiment post that. The European Central Bank cut rates by 25 basis points yesterday. So the rates are now at the levels uh, consecutive six rate cuts have been seen in Europe. Asian markets today are again trading lower. So, post the weak handover from the US, the Asian markets continue to trade lower, and GIFT Nifty also indicating a gap down of 70 points. Coming to the stock specific news, so gold financing companies will be in focus as RBI has asked these lenders to tighten the lending rules. So Manappuram Finance, Muthoot Finance, IIFL Finance, CSB Bank could be under slight pressure. Brigade Enterprises, the company has announced the launch of a new project in Chennai, Brigade LTS, which is a premium residential project and will have a revenue potential of 1700 crores. So neutral in the near term, but positive in the long term for Brigade Enterprises. Interglobe Aviation has launched its non-stop flights to Amsterdam and Manchester, so long-haul flights to Europe. And it has acquired aircraft, wide body aircraft on lease for this purpose. The flights will be starting from July, so neutral in the near term, but again international routes come with relatively better yields, so will be positive in the long term. Laurus Labs has approved an investment of 83 crores in KRKA Pharma, which is a JV in Slovenia, and the JV will acquire land and set up a manufacturing facility. So positive for Laurus Labs in the long term. In terms of order wins, so Kalpataru Projects has received orders worth 2300 crores for transmission and distribution markets across both Indian and overseas markets. Bharat Electronics has secured additional orders worth 577 crores since its last update, and now the total orders received by BEL during the current FY25 stands at 13,724 crores. RVNL has received an order from Southwestern Railway for 156 crore project. So positive for all these three companies. Quality Power Electrical Equipments has acquired 51% stake in Meru Electrical for 120 crores. So neutral in the near term. Quess Corp has received the NCLT approval for the three-way demerger, which was announced last year in Feb 2024. So positive for Quess Corp. In terms of bulk and block deals, yesterday, so Avanti Feeds, Allied Blenders and Distillers, as well as Samman Capital saw bulk and block deals yesterday. Uflex, the promoter, has increased the pledge, so expect a slight negative reaction on Uflex. And in terms of promoter buying witness, so Rain Industries, Indoco Remedies, and Finiotex Chemicals continues to see promoter buying. So that's it from the Fundamental Podcast today. Thank you for listening. Have a happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.